Sunday guys, I'm Aidan from DK Tune. Today's video is on this pretty much brand new Abarth that's coming for a stage 1. So it's a 595 competitively owned 70th anniversary edition as well, so it's a really nice car. Stage 1 figures takes it from about 177 brake horsepower, so just under 180, to just over 200. So a relatively small increase, but it's about the power over the rev range, and obviously the torque mixes it into it as well. So let's get it. Guys, we're just out in the little Abarth. As you can see behind Shane, if he moves forwards a little bit, you can see the Abarth 70. You can go back again now, Shane. It has the 70th anniversary bits on it, so it has a couple of little nice bits that I'm not going to go over it because it's mad. But the owner has done some little things just to trick this car up a little bit before bringing it in. So obviously he's got the smoked 4D plates. He's got an Audison, I think it's an Audison, whatever it's called, Audison, subwoofer in the back, a back box subwoofer, which is nice. The car actually comes with a black kind of bezel instead, and the suede on the top of the gear, top of the actual dashboard, speedo thing. Some nice little carbon fibre gels on it as well, so some nice little tricked up bits. And now he's stuck the stage 1 on it, and we can already tell that it's quite a big difference. Oh my god. That's absolutely a massive difference for a stage 1, guys. So it's gone from about 177 up to just over 200 brake, which in brake horsepower figures isn't a massive difference, but from how the car drives is a massive difference. It seems to come in a lot more aggressive now. It has quite a bit more torque as well, so the initial put down is quite a bit more than it was before, and it proper gets off now, doesn't it?
It's a little gate, but it's across the whole rev range. It makes a massive difference on it.
Yeah, exactly.
Low weight.
Mad car. Geez, so aggressive compared to what it was before. As you can see in the video, guys, the Abarth is so much quicker and more responsive and loads more aggressive as well. So, if you have a 20 plate Abarth or any other Abarth that you want stage 1 goodness on, then please do not hesitate to message us on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see you in the next one.